Hey guys, what's going on? I am George and this is You Want to Watch. This week's little project we got is a Carpenter's hatchet. It's a Keen Kutter. I say without any further ado, we jump right into it. Let's go. I find this to be so satisfying right here. Scraping the old clear coat off of the handle, getting all the years of funk and gunk off it too. Damn it. Alrighty guys, well we are all done with the Keen Kutter Carpenter's hatchet. I am absolutely stoked about this. It came out just fantastic. Look at that. You can read Keen Kutter absolutely perfect on there. The edge on this thing is like a razor blade. The handle, we scraped it, sanded it, stained it, and waxed it, and it is silky, silky smooth. I'm quite happy with it. That's it for this one, guys. Like always, stay safe, be safe. We'll see you next week with another video. Bye. Keen Kutter.